Welcome to Knurling Meadows.
We know the single sign so well, but here is a secret we must tell. When the happy signs come in pairs, a funny new sound is on the stairs. Double Fathah says on, Double Kasrah says in, Double Dammah says on. Let the fun begin. In, on, clap your hands and run. Twin sounds are fun for everyone. Look at Aleph with two flat lines on top, two little sun hats that jump and pop. They bring a hidden end sound to the play. Listen closely to what they say. Aleph double Fathah on. Aleph double Fathah on. Shouting like a fan now, two flat lines. Slide down below. Underneath the Aleph, look at them go. Two little skateboards, shiny and neat, making a sound that is super sweet. Aleph double Kasrah in. Aleph double Kasrah in. Give a happy grin, look up high. What do you see? Two little curly balloons floating free. Double Dammah is sitting up space, making a funny round shape on your face. Aleph double Dammah on. Now our song is done. Double Fathah says Double Kasrah says in, Double Dammah says on. Let the fun begin. In, on, clap your hands and run. Twin sounds are fun for everyone. Let's try it with Ba. Let's make it clear, singing the sounds for everyone to hear. Ba double Fathah in, Ba double Kasrah in, Ba double Dammah on, in, on. Learning alphabet is number one. In, on, do we know them now? Give a big smile and take a bow.
Assalamu Alaikum.
Choo-ka choo-ka choo-choo. The alphabet train, next time we will play again.
Stories grow better when you subscribe.